Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of hand sewing. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out, there's something magical about creating with your own hands. Hand sewing opens up a world of possibilities. From delicate repairs on your favorite clothes to crafting unique home decor, the art of sewing by hand offers endless opportunities for creativity. Imagine making a personalized gift for a loved one, like a hand-stitched quilt or a custom pillow. These handmade treasures carry a special touch that can't be replicated by machines. One of the greatest joys of hand sewing is the sense of accomplishment it brings. Each stitch is a small victory, building up to a beautiful finished product. It's a relaxing and meditative process, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Plus, it's incredibly portable. You can take your sewing project anywhere, whether it's on the couch, in the garden, or even on a trip. Think about the variety of items you can create: charming stuffed toys, elegant table runners, or even intricate embroidery pieces. Hand sewing allows you to experiment with different fabrics, colors, and techniques. You can upcycle old clothes into something new and exciting, or mend and customize your garments to fit your unique style. Moreover, hand sewing is an eco-friendly hobby. By repairing and repurposing, you're contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. It's a skill that connects us to our past, to generations who crafted their lives with needle and thread. So, grab your needle and thread, and let's celebrate the timeless craft of hand sewing. Whether you're making something practical or purely decorative, the joy of creating something with your own hands is truly unmatched. Happy sewing!
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.